Stop what you're doing. If you want sculpted abs, a stronger core, and real results in just 7 days, this is the workout you need. No fancy equipment, no gym. Just do your dedication and these 10 powerful exercises that will carve out your abs, burn belly fat, and strengthen your core. And here's the challenge: do this workout every day for 7 days straight. I want you to comment "done" when you complete it. I'll be checking and replying to everyone who takes on this challenge. If you stay consistent, trust me, you'll feel the difference. Your core will get stronger, your stomach will tighten up, and you'll be proud of your progress. Alright, enough talking. Let's get to work. Exercise 1. Crunches. Let's jump right in. First move, crunches. Simple, but if you do it right, it's pure for your upper abs. Lie flat on your back, feet grounded, knees bent, hands lightly behind your head, no pulling. When I say go, I want slow, controlled crunches. Lift your shoulder blades, not your neck, and squeeze your abs like you're trying to crush a can under your ribs. Here we go, let's crunch. Let's move. Feel that core working already? That's the fire we want. Type crunch time in the comments if you're feeling it already. Imagine each crunch is pulling your abs tighter, like you're sculpting a six-pack with every rep. Almost there, don't let that burn stop you. 10 seconds. Let's finish this round strong. Crunch and hold for 1, now down. Again, 1 more. Drop in the comments if you made it through. That's how we kick off this challenge. Exercise 2. Leg raises. Time to light up those lower abs. Let's go with leg raises. This one gets deep in the lower belly, especially where most people struggle. If you want that flat stomach, this is the move. Legs straight, core tight, and raise them up slowly. No momentum, no swinging. Let's do this together. Go slow on the way down. Don't let those heels touch. That's where the real magic happens. Pretend your legs are moving through thick water. Use your abs to lift, not your hips. Comment lower burn if this one's killing you already. I want to hear from you. Feeling your core shake a little? That means it's working. We're halfway, don't drop. I know it burns. You didn't come here for easy, you came here for results. You got this. Stay strong. Fight through the shake. Exercise 3. Russian twists. One of the best for your obliques, and we're about to feel every rep. Sit down, knees bent, lean back just a little to engage your core. Keep your chest up, no rounding the back. Clasp your hands in front of your chest like you're holding something valuable, because that core strength, it is valuable. Now start rotating left to right, touch the ground each time for maximum twist. Let's hit it, go. Keep your core tight like someone's about to throw a punch at your stomach. Hold that tension. Want a challenge? Hover those heels off the floor. I know it burns, but this is where abs are built. If your core is lit right now, type oblique beast in the comments. I'm twisting with you. Visualize your waist shrinking, your abs carving out deep lines with every twist. We're halfway. If you've dropped your feet, it's okay. Reset and bring them back up. Don't stop moving. You're building definition right now. Every twist is progress. Yes, that's how we torch those obliques. Stand tall, shake it off, and be proud you are showing up. Exercise 4. Bicycle crunches. This move is an all-in-one core shredder. Upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all working together. Let's go. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head, but don't pull on your neck. Lift your shoulder blades off the mat. Now bring one knee in and twist the opposite elbow toward it. Then switch. It's like riding a bike, but slow and controlled. Right elbow to left knee, now switch. Keep those legs moving, extend fully with each rep, breathe through it. Exhale as you twist, inhale as you reset. Keep your core tight the whole time. Feel that burn building? That's your abs working, don't stop. Drop a comment right now, bike mode on, if you're still pushing with me. Imagine you're carving those deep ablines with each twist. This isn't just movement, it's muscle sculpting. Keep that tempo slow and steady. This is a marathon, not a sprint. We're halfway. Don't let those legs drop. Stay controlled, stay strong. Every twist counts. Exercise 5. Plank hold. We're going to test your strength, your focus, and your mindset. Forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders, legs extended back. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. This is not just a hold. It's a full body tension move. Core tight, eyes forward, breathe controlled. Hold that line. No sagging hips, no mountain peaks, just clean, straight, solid form. Squeeze your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach, brace and hold. This is one of the best isometric moves for abs. No crunching, just tension, stability, and mind-muscle connection. Still with me? Drop steel mode in the comments if you're holding strong. Focus your thoughts. Don't think about the clock, think about the strength you're building. We're halfway there. You're doing amazing. Stay with me. I'm holding it too, right here beside you. Every second you hold this, you're making your core stronger, tighter, and more powerful. Exercise 6. Reverse crunches. This next move targets the part most people struggle with, below the belly button. If you want a flat lower stomach or that V-cut, reverse crunches are a must. Lie back, hands under your hips for support. Knees bent, feet hovering off the mat. Now lift your hips off the ground and bring your knees toward your chest. just slow and controlled. No swinging, no momentum, just power from your core. Pull those knees and curl your hips off the floor and control the way back down. Feel that squeeze in your lower abs. This move is all about quality over speed. Focus on that mind-muscle connection. You're not just moving, you're building. Lower abs burning? Good. Comment reverse burn below if you're still with me. Picture your lower abs tightening with every rep. Each lift is a step closer to that strong sculpted core. Don't drop those legs. Keep it tight. This is where transformation happens. You're doing amazing. This move takes control and strength, and you've got both. Let's go. Exercise 7. Heel touches. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Lift your shoulders slightly off the mat to engage your upper abs. Now reach side to side, tapping your heels with your fingertips. It's all about the oblique squeeze here. Keep your core tight and your movement sharp. Let's carve those sides. Keep your chest up. Don't just flap your arms, twist through your core. Feel that side burn? That's your waist tightening. Each tap is pulling that midsection in. Every rep is sculpting that V-cut, trimming your waist and adding that definition to your sides. Don't drop. Keep those shoulders slightly lifted. Stay in the zone. Push through it. I know it's tempting to rest, but this is where you break plateaus and build that core strength. Exercise 8. Flutter kicks. This move is all about control, tension, and power. It's simple to do, but don't let that fool you. It burns like crazy. Lie flat on your back, hands tucked under your hips. Lift your legs slightly off the ground. Now kick them up and down, small and fast. Keep those kicks tight. Toes pointed, legs straight, and most importantly, abs engaged the entire time. Small kicks, tight core. Don't arch your back, press it into the mat like it owes you money. Legs straight, feet flexed or pointed, just don't stop. Keep fluttering. If your abs are screaming, that's exactly where you should be. Type flutter on fire in the comments if you're still kicking. This is more than a workout, it's a test of mental toughness. Fight through the shake. Embrace the burn. If your legs are dropping, lift them back up. You've got this. Breathe through the pain. Don't give up now, we're so close to the end. Exercise 9. Mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Wrists under shoulders. Core tight. Now drive your knees in towards your chest, one at a time, like you're sprinting up a mountain. Fast, controlled, core tight. Keep that back flat. No bouncing, no sagging. Drive those knees. Keep that tempo steady and strong. This isn't just cardio. This is a total core attack. Every knee drive is sculpting your abs, firing your shoulders, and torching fat. Still moving? Let me hear it. Drop climb mode on in the comments if you're pushing through. Every drop of sweat, every breath, it's building the strongest version of you. You're not just working out. You're leveling up. You've got this. If you need to slow down, do it, but don't stop. Keep moving. Core engaged, shoulders steady. Keep that body in a straight line. This is where it gets real. Exercise 10. Plank to shoulder taps. This is it. The final move in our 10 exercise journey. Let's finish this with a bang. We've got one last challenge to hit those abs, shoulders, and overall endurance. Plank to shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position. Wrists under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now, without letting your hips sway, tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. Keep your core tight and controlled, no twisting or sagging. Just steady, controlled taps. Let's crush this last challenge together. Ready, go. Tap that shoulder, keep those hips steady. You're not just doing this for your arms, you're building your core, your shoulders, and your full body strength. Control every tap, no rushing. Slow and steady wins the race. Keep that body in a straight line. Are you feeling the burn yet? If so, type finish strong in the comments, because we're almost there. Think about everything you've accomplished so far. This last move, it's the finishing touch. You've earned this. Keep those abs tight. Whoa, that was a killer workout, and you just crushed it. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people, because consistency is what brings results. Your abs might be on fire right now, but that just means they're getting stronger. Stick to this for 7 days and I promise you'll see and feel the difference. And remember, abs aren't just about looks. A strong core helps with posture, balance, and overall body strength. So here's your mission: come back every single day. Do this workout, push yourself, and comment done when you finish. I'll be here cheering you on. And if you're serious about transforming your body, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. And don't stop now, check out my next workout video right here to keep the momentum going. See you in the next workout. Let's get stronger together.